to Amichai and to listen to my breath and to listen to the space and to remember that this moment is unique. It will never repeat itself again. And I'm inviting Amichai to lay into my hands, and soon I will explain more into details how can we facilitate this transition even better. So what we gain until now, we have few things that are very important. One sector of our tool shed is just the movement. How can I move forward? How can I move backward? How can I move left and right? And we already understood that to do that, I really need to use my belly button and my frontal leg, right? So if I want to move forward, I just bring my weight forward. When I want to move backward, I press my leg and I move myself backward. And if I'm seeing that there is a lot of things happening here and I want to rotate Amichai, I can either, I saw how to do it with a turn, but if I'm from the side, I can just lean on him and bring him a little bit to the left, and I can lean on him and bring him a little bit to the right, just by leaning and using exclusively my body weight. Okay? And it's important because we're practicing, generally there could be different things that will be our obstacles. In the pool we have human obstacles, and we have walls, and we have different things that we want to understand how to use. So we're starting by having very clear presence, and also knowing how can we move. If that was a wheel, how can I drive forward, backward, leftward, and right? We have all of those tools in our hand already.